Hey, what's your Monday morning routine? Do you wake up before you're ready? Are you anxious or excited to go to your job or perhaps for that long commute? I know it wasn't that long ago. I would get up in the morning and I'd go, oh wow, did I drag that comb across my head? Looks like fun, eh? Working at a desk, shuffling paper. Perhaps you feel underappreciated, overwhelmed, underpaid, or maybe underchallenged, and you know you want more. These are among the many reasons why most people don't like where they're going on Monday morning when they go to work. So are you ready? Hello, my name is Tom. Yep, Tom with an H. It wasn't that long ago I was in a similar situation. Stressed beyond measure, underappreciated, underpaid, in an industry that was changing for the worse. The commute to work was ugly and the drive home was even worse. It truly was a toxic cocktail. And it made me sick. It made me ill. So after recovering from major surgery, I was demoted. I couldn't keep up with the workload. Eventually, I lost my job. Can you say, time for a change? Yet, I consider myself blessed. Why? Because I received a nice severance, enough to change direction and to start new, to heal and to start over. Here's my question for you. Are you one of the millions of people who don't like what they do for a living and you want to make a change? Is that you? You see, there is a better way. Truly, there is a better way, and I'd love to share that with you. Today, I work from home. I wake up when I'm done sleeping. My commute is about 40 feet to my home office, or if I like, I drive to the local coffee shop and work there. I love the smell of coffee in the morning, and I know you love that aroma as well. Working online, from home, or on the road is more than possible, and it's more than profitable. Don't wait for something bad to happen. My diagnosis was a blessing in disguise, as was my career transition. But there are easier, faster, better ways. Work from home? Understand this. It is work. At times it's quite challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. Health-wise, wealth-wise, time freedom, time flexibility. It's amazing what you can do. If you want a better life, more control, more income, renewed purpose or passion, more time with your family, then maybe I can help. Write yes in the comments section and let's connect. There may be a fit, there may be not, I don't know, but let's find out. Leave a yes in the comments section below and I look forward to connecting with you.